What's going on YouTube? It's Cyrus Urivan, I'm David, again with another video. And for now, here is the results of the video that I did before. Here's the spam. Hey, you gotta dance. Dance. Hey. Boy. Hey. Papa. Boom, Master Chef Fury. What's up, everyone? I'm back, and I already fixed this one. I fixed everything. Because I'm responsible. And the rice is over there. Let's go. What's going on? Here's the video with my sister. Hello. Okay. Then we're gonna put some into my sister's. Enough? Okay. Okay, so my turn. So hot. It's a lot. And banana ketchup. This is not sponsored by Papa Banana Ketchup. It's not sponsored.
That's a lot of lies. Only English people can understand this.
We're gonna get demonetized. Okay, so everything it's there, and now